Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to finally unbox my Hobonichi order from Japan and also show you guys a couple things that I purchased that I plan to use alongside my Hobonichi, but I wanted to show you guys what I bought and how I plan to use it. Obviously it's not 100%, but my goal is for 2025. And also just came in, I got my sticker app order as a restock of this belongs to sticker that I had in my shop. Maybe it sold out 2 years ago. It was a yellow color and I decided to do this nice evergreen color instead of the yellow this year. And sticker app always sends a cute sticker or sticker sheet, and this time it's a full sheet. So I'm excited to use these and list this into my shop soon. All right, let's get to the unboxing. So if you saw my little TikTok reel, also posted it on my YouTube short, I took out the contents of this box, but let's do it again and I'm going to kind of talk through everything. So let's see, what's the best way to do this? Okay, so the first thing I picked up were these pencil boards, and as you can see I got them in 2 different sizes. I got it for the Hobonichi Weeks over here, and this one over here is for the A5 Hobonichi Cousin. And let's open these up here today. So people might ask, what is a pencil board for, or how do you plan to use it? I'm going to use it as sort of a divider and also a backing when I'm writing on one side of the page. And then now we can evaluate the 2 sides. So this one is for the weeks, and it's just kind of a simple pattern at the back, a little ruler here that says today, and also today up here. So as you can see, as it's peeking out of your Hobonichi, you can see like what day you're on. And same thing here, today up here. And on the back side, we have sort of this abstract pattern. Looks super cute and simple. I actually prefer this side, but both look, oh, maybe this is supposed to represent like city lights or lights in buildings. Anyway, super cute, so I was excited about those. The next thing that I ordered is this Hobonichi photo album. This is my first time ever ordering this. If you guys have followed my channel, you'll know that I planned with a Hobonichi for several years, and I took a little bit of a break, but I am back. And I thought I would pick up this tiny little photo album. Not really sure what I'd put in it. Maybe my son's like graduation picture, perhaps like business cards or little stickers or memos. And I think I might tuck this into my Hobonichi or into the cover. I'm not really sure just yet how to use this, but I picked one of these up on a whim. These are 2 books that I picked up. First time ordering anything but the planner. This one here is the Hobonichi. I believe this is graph paper, but let's confirm. Let's take a look here. Okay, so it has this cover with these cats, which I thought was pretty cute. And yes, this one is the graph paper. So I'm not really sure what to do with this booklet. Perhaps I can do like to-do list or kind of like random thoughts. But I feel like with the graph paper, it might be good for like charting or lists or goals for my YouTube channel or Instagram. Yeah, we'll see. But that's the graph paper one. This one is just straight Hobonichi paper. I'm not really sure what that means or what that entails. I wonder if it's the same paper as the planner. Let's take a look. Also, again, my first time ordering this. So a little random card here. And as you can see, they're about the same size. This one here, the paper has rounded edges, but let's see. Oh yeah, the paper feels very nice. It's really, really smooth. I can't tell if the camera is picking up this really smooth texture, but this could be nice. Actually, this looks like it would rip off really nicely. So maybe I could like jot notes down, rip it off, stick it into my planner, or bring it on the go, stick it into, I wonder if it'll fit in the photo album. Maybe if you like cut it up, it could fit in here. So a couple different ways, but the paper quality is very, very nice. It has this cute little, I'm not sure what character. Oh, it's a little pig. This little guy is hanging onto the ice cream here. So super cute. All right, so this is the Hobonichi Weeks. And I get the regular size, not the Mega. I believe the Mega has like a bigger section at the back for maybe extra notes. And since I have all these notebooks, I didn't think I would be doing so many notes. I got it in this kind of pink purple color. Has sort of this shiny embossed 2025 and simple spine here. Very nice. If you're new to Hobonichi, the weeks compared to the cousin, there's also a couple other sizes, but I picked up these two. This is an A5 size, and you can see there's quite a bit of a size difference. This would be good if I'm like on the go or wanted to jot down notes or keep it more simple. We've got kind of the calendar here, sort of this year at a glance. And then the monthlies, oh, it brings up December too, so perfect. I can actually start putting in dates and things into here. So we've got the monthly section in the beginning, and then it goes into each week. And as you can see, each week also has like a note section on the opposite page. And it seems to cover, did I just see November? Okay, last week of November. So Thanksgiving is essentially when this planner officially starts, which is coming up, so perfect timing. It has this little corner pocket. You can choose to stick it in the back cover, on the front cover. I tend to like to put it in the back, so I'll be setting this up soon. And back here, just extra notes. You can see some more graph paper. There was something else. I guess that's it. So yes, that is the weeks in case you were interested. Here is the Hobonichi Cousin, size A5. Let me just open this here. Some super sticky paper, so excuse the ripping. I'm just gonna rip this open. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Oh, how cute. We've got this little pamphlet, this little story, both in Japanese and English. Oh, I did get the Japanese version. Not that I can read Japanese because I can't, but I just felt like it just looked really, really nice. So this is kind of the layout for the weeks, or so, sorry, for the cousin. You start out with your kind of year at a glance in the very, very front. And then you've got the monthly again. Again, it starts in December here, so you can start planning. So all your monthlies are in the beginning. And you can see the layout. The boxes are a little bit bigger. You can, if you wanted to do more like maybe memory planning or add in travel, photos or notes, add in stickers, ephemera, washi tape, I feel like that this is a better planner than the weeks just because it's so much larger. And then let's take a look here. Goes into 2026 for a little bit, not a ton. Okay, so then this is your weekly view, kind of this vertical layout here, which you can kind of divide out in the day based on the time, which I think is kind of cool. And then I believe at the end of each, why did I think it had, or maybe all the weeks are first. Okay, sorry. All the week sections come first, and then you have a daily section over here. So here is where, if you wanted to journal, like do some daily journaling, put your notes on these pages, you just have a much larger section to work with per day. So I think this is good if you're someone who likes to journal and wants a planner all in one. The Hobonichi Cousin could be a nice option. So just check the back here. Yeah, just more daily pages. Okay, so this is the Cousin for 2025. It's pretty chunky. But I am excited to use both planners. And I did open this earlier in a video why this one is open, but this is the freebie notebook. And these are the freebie pens that I got. If you order directly from the Hobonichi website, while it does come from Japan, honestly, the shipping was only about 1 week from ordering to my doorstep, which I thought was pretty amazing. I was expecting closer to 2 to 3. But also, if you order directly from the website, you get a free notebook, and I guess you get some free pens, which is pretty cool. And now I don't know what you need to order. I'm assuming the notebook or the pens comes with a planner, but I'm not sure like which one is which, or why did I get 2 pens and 1 notebook. Not super sure if it was like a minimum order, but anyway. Hobonichi Techo pen, multicolor, and I guess I have 2, so yay. And here is the notebook, the free notebook. I think from other unboxing videos that I had seen, this does come in different colors, so it's kind of like a random one, and it comes in the sealed mystery envelope, so it's kind of exciting. Oh, and it comes with the nice graph paper. All right, so those are the items that I picked up from my Hobonichi order from the website. Here are a couple other things that I picked up in hopes of using them for this year. I got some more washi tape. Of course, I did not really need more washi tape, but I thought of the washi tapes that I used in the past, this kind of design is really popular in my planner layouts. This is actually a little bit thinner than the one that I have, but I have similar colors. So I picked these up from Amazon. I also picked up this Pentel Energel Clean Retract Pink Body Pen, which I think I was influenced on TikTok somehow. I forgot which user was using this, but they did a pen test and it was just divine. So I can probably show this to you guys in a future video. And lastly, I ordered from, let me get the name here, Sticky Monster Co. some dividers. Let's see. Oh, how cute. Okay, so these are little dividers. I initially only planned to buy just 1 planner, so I only picked up 1 set of dividers, but if these work out, I might end up getting in 2, getting another set. But you essentially got to choose the font and even the tint of the actual sticker here, and these will go kind of on the side so that you'll have a little tab. I think, I'm not sure, we'll see. But anyway, my next video or upcoming video will likely be my Hobonichi setup for next year. All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Sorry, it's a little bit shorter. If you have any questions about the Hobonichi website or things that I ordered or things that you're considering, definitely leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, thank you guys. Bye.